Hello everyone, welcome to SAP Integration Suite Cloud Integration Training course. In today's session, we are going to discuss about how to create a trial account. Okay, so I'm logging into. So we are having two URLs here: account.hanaondemand.com and HANA trial. Let me directly now log into this. Okay, from this screen also we can navigate to trial account. First of all, I will sign in. So I already have my SAP account created. If you are completely new to this, you should be logging into sap.com and register yourself. So in the screen, you are having an option to create your SAP account. So you can create, and if you maintain your mobile number as well, then you are eligible to create a trial account. Okay. So when you are creating your trial account, you will be needed to enter a verification code as well. So for my account, already this process is completed. So I'm going to log in directly. So in this screen, you can navigate either to enterprise global accounts or a free trial account. Okay. So let me navigate to trial account. So here you are requested to choose one of the region, US East or Singapore. These are regions, and AWS Azure are infrastructure providers. Previously we used to have a Neo, and currently it is multi-environment, which is also called as Cloud Foundry. So in Cloud Foundry, the infrastructures can be either AWS, Azure, Google Cloud Platform. But for trial accounts, we are only having two regions, US East and Singapore. So only AWS and Azure are available. So we can choose the closest region to us. Uh, I will choose here US East. Now, if we can see, the global account is getting created. For one global account, there can be multiple sub accounts. We will create sub accounts for environment specifics or service specific. So integration suite dev, integration suite QA, integration suite prod, we can have for these three different sub accounts, and we can have our services enabled for that. Or if you want to access some Fiori or other services above, then respective sub accounts can be created separately. This is how in real projects, basis team used to maintain these activities. So yes, the org is also getting created. Let's give it 2 minutes for the space to get created. I'm clicking on continue, and I'm accessing my trial account now. So if you can see in the URL also, my global account ID is this. See, the same thing also can be viewed in our regular details once we access our sub account. Okay, so let me access our sub account from here. As you see, our infrastructure provider is AWS, region is US East, and environment is multi-environment. By default, we will be having Business Application Studio already subscribed. Okay, and we are not going to use this. Let's navigate to Service Marketplace and try to subscribe to Integration Suite service. Solution integration. Here you are having API management services, but these are already available inside Integration Suite service as well as capability. So we can leverage from there. So Integration Suite, we can click on create, and our plan is trial. I'm creating this. View subscription. Integration Suite subscription is under processing. Yes, we subscribe successfully. If we click go to application, we will be navigating to Integration Suite page. But before that, we should have a provisioner access. Okay, so we go to security, users, select our username. In the right side, you are having role collections, and select assign role collection, and select integration provisioner role here. So before subscribing to integration suite, this role collection is not available. Okay, so just now this role collection is created during while we are subscribing to integration suite, assigning this role collection. Understand, every role collection is having its own roles here. See, for integration provisioner, this is the role. So one role collection can have multiple roles, and these are some of the activities where security team or basis team will take care. In real projects, we will not be doing these activities, but it's good to know because we need to access trial accounts, do some POCs and etc. So this process is very important for us. So now let us go to instance and subscriptions, and integration suite is there here. If I click on this icon, this is a go to application, and we will be navigating to integration suite. If you observe the URL as well, if you see, this is the sub account name, integration shoot, trial, CF apps, Cloud Foundry apps, and US10-001 is the region which we are using. Okay. So there are no capabilities added yet. I can add the capabilities. Okay. Let me select cloud integration and API management. If you see this, build integration scenarios, cloud integration, manage APIs, API management. Rest of the service I will not activate now, like integration content advisor, trade partner management, OData provisioning, open connectors, okay, integration assessment and migration scenarios. Okay, so I will only choose these two first. Clicking on next, and I will be choosing message queues. Yes, this is needed to access JMS queues in cloud integration. JMS queues are majorly used for decoupling the interfaces and perform retry mechanisms. Okay, and next, yes, developer hub is needed. I'm not going to select graph. And next, so I'm going to activate these capabilities. If I just want to highlight another thing, see, in the security, when I'm trying to assign role collections, there are very limited role collections available at the moment, right? So there are no roles related to API management and cloud integration at present. Okay, but once we activate these capabilities, all those role collections will get created automatically in our sub account as well. Okay, so once these capabilities are activated, you should also have those role collections assigned to your user. Only then you can access these capabilities. If you see, like API management is already active, but there is another step to access API management. From settings, we need to enable it. Yeah, let us see. Now if I just refresh the screen, you will be able to see some additional role collections as well for API management. But cloud integration is still in progress only. We might not see about cloud integration, but at least for API management, yes, you see API managements are there here. But yeah, PI also created, PI administrator, these are cloud integration. So let's assign roles of ourselves here. I'm giving all PI and API management as well. I'm assigning everything, but the descriptions explains why we need those roles, role collections. Okay. For now, I am not worrying about, because I'm the administrator. I can have all the roles created for trial account. Okay. So yes, business application studio also I'm assigning, cloud connector, destinations, and etc. Everything I'm just assigning to myself. So yes, I have all the roles assigned for myself. Okay. Yes. So let's click OK, and we need to wait for some time, and then we will be able to see all the tabs available because cloud integration is not yet active. Now the message queues activation is in progress. So the actual cloud integration is already available. So we should be able to see the tabs now. Let's try to refresh the screen. It automatically refreshed. Yes. We are having discover, design, monitor tabs. Once the trial account is created. For API management, how to activate? We will see in our further sessions when we discuss about API management. Thank you.